Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. And today I am sharing the famous South Indian sambar and coconut chutney recipe, and that too in typical Udupi style. Let's have a quick look on how to make it. 1 cup of tuar dal or arhar ki dal, that is 150 grams of arhar ki dal I have soaked for around 2 hours. Let's transfer it into a pressure cooker. Let's add 2-3 garlic cloves, 1 small onion chopped, and 3 medium sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Let's add some half a spoon of turmeric powder and little bit of tamarind around pressure 1 inch. Cook it for around 6 to 7 whistles. By the time it's cooking, let's boil some vegetables. I have boiled some drumsticks and some carrots, adding some salt here. Instead of carrot, if you have bottle gourd, then you can add it. Let's cook it until they are done. Now 6 whistles are over. Now let's check whether our dal is done. It's completely done now. I am adding 2 inches of jaggery over here and adding some red chili powder around 1 teaspoon and 1 full tablespoon of coriander powder. Adding some chopped coriander as well. Let's mash it a bit with the help of a masher. As the dal is very well cooked, it can be easily mashed. Adding some salt. Now the dal is very nicely mashed. At this point, let's add our cooked vegetables now. Let's give a mix. And now our dal is ready for tempering. Let's prepare the tempering for the sambar. Let's add around 3 tablespoons of oil. Add some mustard seed, some whole jeera, little bit of fenugreek seeds and 2-3 bay leaves, 1 small onion chopped and some curry leaves. Now I'm adding some asafoetida as well. Sambhar powder is also available in the market. If you want, you can add a little, but I have not added the sambar powder. Instead of that, I have added the traditional sambar masala which I have prepared at home. I will share the recipe of it very soon. Now our tempering has turned brownish in color. At this point, I am adding 1 full tablespoon of homely prepared sambar masala. Switch off the flame immediately after adding this. Now let's add our yummy tempering to the hot sambar. And keep the sambar for 2 minutes in low flame. And that's all. Our awesome sambar is ready now. Let's prepare the chutney now. 1/4 of coconut, that is 2 large coconut pieces chopped, and I have added to the mixer jar. Added 2 green chilies and little bit of ginger. Adding salt as per the taste and half a glass of water. Let's blend it until we get a smooth texture like this. Let's prepare the tempering for the chutney. Adding just 1 tablespoon of oil. Adding little bit of urad dal for tempering and little bit of mustard seed, some curry leaves. Let's switch off the flame when our tempering is done. Let's allow it to cool down for some time and let's add direct over the chutney. Our super hit yummy coconut chutney is ready to be served now. The Udupi style yummy super duper hit sambar and coconut chutney goes really well along with idli and dosa. In my upcoming video, I will share how to prepare the perfect dosa and idli batter at home. Do prepare the Udupi sambar and chutney as I prepared today, and definitely 100% you will love the result of it. Please give a like and share our videos, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Thank you so much for watching.